Oh, we get lost in the night. We living in life, we don't live it twice, so we gon' get right. Oh, yeah.
What's good, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And if you're returning, what's good, gang? Alright, so this morning I already went and washed my hair. Usually I do this with my third hair day, but my third hair day was like a week ago. But I washed it and I let it dry because these buns are easy to do when they're dry. My curls look nicer. Okay, I look crazy. Alright, so these are the products I'll be using. I have my gel, which is just the Eco Styling Gel. I have an oil, which is this Morocco oil. I also have a castor oil. And then I have this Black Jamaican moisturizer. It's like a leave-in conditioner. Spray bottle, of course. Edges toothbrush, of course. A small brush. And then a brush with soft and hard bristles. What you want to do first is put some oil in your hair. And I put this Morocco oil just because it makes my hair shine. 2 pumps of that hoe. I need to learn to do stuff without my mouth open. Okay, and then I'm just gonna moisturize a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with this Jamaican castor oil conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I should have done all that after I dampened my hair. But now I'm gonna dampen my hair with the spray bottle. Well, just the front and the back, not the whole thing. What I do now is take the small comb and just comb out the front and the back of my hair so my hair is slicked, shorty. Now you're gonna take the soft side of your brush and just brush it up. Oh my goodness, my arms be burning. Okay, now that this hoe's ready to go into a bun, well, almost, we can bring out the bad boy. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit and then put on the outskirts. When it comes to top knot buns, like, the rest of your hair has to be slicked because there ain't no hair to cover up like a lump or dump, you know? Everything that's getting slicked into the bun needs to be slicked into the bun. And especially back here, because that's when that lump be. So make sure all your roots comb to the bun. Period. And the soft end again. The soft end just gives it that shine that keeps it cute. And then the hard end will really slick the flyaways. And then to make sure the inside of my hair isn't like clumped up with hair, I just grab my hair, pull it out. I think it's ready to go in the bun. Your hair just grew up so fast. Take some more gel. Okay, now you're gonna use a scrunchie to do this. A scrunchie. And you want it tight as it can go. Like, the last one won't be a struggle, but you want it that tight. This is the one that's gonna be hard, but you gotta do it, period. Just smush it all in that hole. And boom, if I can do it, you can do it too, period. Okay, now you're gonna go with the normal hair tie, so it's easier to hide within the bun. And then take your, maybe I need to be lower for this. My forehead look large. Okay. Okay, you're gonna take what's at the bottom of it and spin it around the back and the rest of the hair. should spin with it. And then put this an inch from the bun, and this one in for the top, and boom, 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 period. That's what I call a top knotted bun, sis. Alright, now let's get back to business. Alright, now I'm gonna do my edges, and I got an edges video. If you want to know how to do your edges, I'm gonna link it somewhere on the screen, and go do that and come back. Period. Alright, you can just take your toothbrush, put a little bit of gel, and then, you know, clean up the flyaways. You can even throw some bobby pins in there if you want to. I don't think I'm gonna. I just might. You know how that goes. Throw some lipstick on that look and you good, sis. Ew. Ew. Bitches in my DM trying to get. I got an alien head shape, but still cute though. Alright, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. I ain't yelling at you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I feel like I look like real like bald-headed, but I ain't bald-headed, sis. Look, girl, I feel like I look real bald-headed doing this. But since I ain't bald-headed, I got a whole knot of hair. Get it? No pun intended. Pun intended. But top knot. Bun. You know. Put those some hoops on it, look. Or not. Something's off. I think it's just the shape of my head. Okay, thank you. Ew.
We living in life, we don't live it twice, so we gon' get right. Oh, yeah.